Hello, my name is Wamgong Vale, and I want to share this work that I did for a software as a service uh, company, showing you basically their business intelligence data that helps them make quick decisions and all that stuff. I want to emphasize that this is not about showing you dashboard, but it's about actually allowing managers make business decisions. Let's dive into the actual work, which is the ETL processes. This is where the most work is done, even though I cannot really show much here, but I'm just showing a different data set that I work with, the dimensions and the fact tables. And, I did a lot of cleaning with this data, but everyone who knows this know I cannot really show much there. With that, I create my semantic model and I create a star schema to relate the different data set or the different tables. And of course, I created my measures. This is a list of all the measures that I calculated using DAX formulas and all that stuff. Moving forward, let's go into the storytelling of the data set. Now, this is no longer data, this is information. This is how the company is performing so far, the total revenue, the revenue year to year growth, and the growth trend. And we have some slicers that help us to narrow down the information and make continental decisions. Also, as I've selected this fiscal year 2024, you see that the growth trend went down for that year, and this can help us know how the company did and the way to move forward. Now, the next thing is the channel analysis, which of course shows us where our money is coming in and how the money is coming in. Uh, the first visual here, you see the different representative, and if you hover over any of the representative, it will quickly show you their performance, and of course the churn rate of their clients, where their money is coming from, and how much they are making for each product. This can help you make decisions quickly and of course know who is the best performing representative, and other stuff. The next visual also shows us basically where our money is coming from, but at this time we can basically play with uh, the product, the continent, and the type of clients, the sales channels, and other stuff. As a PMP holder, I like to predict risk and have a plan for it. So this is a very high stake visual that allow us to predict the company's performance in 6 months based on what they have been doing over the past 4 years. So the gray area here is a prediction of the company's performance using uh, AI tools and all that stuff and machine learning. The next one is strategic revenue simulator, which basically allows the functional managers to know what performance will look like if they pump more money into marketing or if they pull out money from marketing endeavors, or maybe they want to remove money from their marketing and put it somewhere else. It basically tells us that if we continue at this rate, where we will go to, if we increase retention rate, what will be the baseline and all that stuff. So it's very important for making business decisions. Okay, let's not forget that sometimes we cannot really open our computers or tablets. Yeah, our computers. So we need to just look at information quickly on our mobile phones and our tablet. So this has all the information for the mobile view. As a global company, it is not all the time that a company might want the different representatives or workers to see the data, to see each other's data. Sometimes company might not even want African franchise to see European franchise or North American franchises data. So this also allows you to do exactly that. A representative might only see his or her own data, and his or her own performance when he logs in into the uh, report. Of course, we know that most of these functionalities are available on our BI service, and so this I'm using desktop, so we cannot really see it here. Anyways, thank you for your kind attention and God bless you. I'm out.